Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And today by the end of this video, you can call yourself a MetaMask expert, so sit back and relax. But before you relax, make sure that you save this video for your future reference. And today I will tell you everything about MetaMask in detail, be it how to download it, how to set up a MetaMask account, and how to add different chains so you can interact with different blockchains with MetaMask, and how you can receive crypto, send crypto, connect with different NFT marketplaces. Everything about MetaMask will be covered today. So just watch this video carefully. So first of all, let's see how we can download MetaMask. All you have to do is just go to Google and search for MetaMask Chrome extension. And you can follow the same instructions for your mobile device. In mobile, you can directly get the MetaMask application. Just search it up on Play Store or App Store and you will easily find it. Then follow the same instructions as given for the web. Now search for MetaMask Chrome extension and click on this website from MetaMask. Make sure that you don't click on any scam website because there are so many scams out there and you might get scammed. So always pay attention to the website you are clicking. And here click on install MetaMask for Chrome. You can get it for iOS or Android as well. So I'm adding it for Chrome. Then click on add to Chrome. Then it will be added as an extension. So click on add extension. It is completely fine even if you receive this kind of error. Just click on restart MetaMask. Then go to your extensions and here pin your MetaMask so it is easy to click on, and then open MetaMask. And you will receive this screen. So click on get started, then click on I agree. And here you can either import a wallet or create a new wallet. Since you are a complete beginner, you can create a new wallet. Set a good password for your account so it cannot be hacked easily. Then click on I have read and agree to the terms of use and create. Click on next. And here you will receive a secret phrase. This recovery phrase is quite important because anyone can access your account using this recovery phrase. So make sure that you store this recovery phrase on an offline mode rather than copy pasting it on online, because it is quite easy to hack it when it is online. So click to reveal your secret words and write them down on a piece of paper, because MetaMask will be asking you on the next step. So make sure that you write them down and then click on next. Then complete this hardest test of your life and I hope you will be able to clear it up. So clear it up and click on confirm. And congratulations on setting up your MetaMask account. So after setting up your account, let's see how you can utilize MetaMask and its different options. So on the top right corner, you can see Ethereum mainnet. Click on it. It is a network we are currently connected to, and we can connect to different networks as well, like Polygon, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain. Basically, it is the feature to connect and interact with different blockchains. So currently we can only interact with Ethereum blockchain, and in order to engage with other blockchains, we need to add different networks to it. Let's see how we can add different networks. Simply click on add to network, and here we will need some information. So for this information, we will go to Google and let's see how we can add Binance Smart Chain to our MetaMask. Just simply search BSC network for MetaMask. Click on the first website, which is by Binance Academy, and here you will receive all the information that we require to connect it. Scroll down a little bit and this is the information that we are looking for, the mainnet one. We don't need testnet information, we need mainnet information, so make sure that you are copying this information. Now just copy paste this information on your MetaMask. So after copy pasting, just click on save, click on got it. And now when you click on this option on top right, you will be able to see two different networks, Ethereum and Smart Chain. And that's how you add a different network to MetaMask. And in this video, I will also show you how you can utilize these different networks and how you can interact with different networks. You can switch to any network just by clicking on it. We just switched to Ethereum. Now let's switch back to Binance Smart Chain. And that's how easy it is to switch from one network to another. Now let's see the other option, which is this Earth-like icon. Click on it and here you will see different options. The first one is to log. It is to log out from your MetaMask account. And here you will see the account that you are currently on. You can create multiple accounts on your MetaMask and you can also import a different account to your MetaMask account. And then you will see connect hardware wallet. There are different hardware wallets. You can also use MetaMask for them, like Ledger. Then click on settings. We won't dive deep into the settings because it might confuse you. Let's just touch the surface of settings. And here you will see primary currency and currency conversions that you want to see on your MetaMask. Then click on advanced. Here you can sync your MetaMask with your mobile phone. You can also reset your account. You can clear your transaction history using this option. And if you want to control the gas fees on your MetaMask, you can turn this option on, because every transaction requires some gas fees, and this option will help you with customizations. There are different options, but let me not confuse you with them. And after scrolling down a little bit, you can see customize transaction nonce. It is quite handy when your transactions get stuck on MetaMask. So turn it on, go back, and click on security and privacy. Here you can check your secret recovery phrase. Now let's get back to our MetaMask wallet so we can check other options. So after checking the settings out, let's see what this address is about. This is the address for your MetaMask account, and it is same for all the networks you have, whether Ethereum or BNB, it will remain the same. You can use this address to receive crypto or NFTs to your account. You can just simply share this wallet address to someone who wants to send you crypto or NFT. Just share it with them and they will be able to reach you out. Now let's see how we can connect with different NFT marketplaces using our MetaMask wallet. Go to Google and search for Rarible. It is one of the marketplaces. Just click on it. Click on Connect Wallet. And here choose the option for MetaMask. Just click on Next, Connect. Since it is on Ethereum mainnet, we need to switch our network. So let's switch the network. Then click on Sign. And here enter your details like display name, the name that will be shown on the NFT marketplace, and your email. And after signing up, you can easily interact with this Web3 website of NFT marketplace. And that's how you can connect with other NFT marketplaces as well. Now let's see how we can connect with Web3 games using our MetaMask wallet. So for that, go to Google. And in our case, I'm taking example of Mobox. It is a game. Search for Mobox on Google and you will find it. Then click on Enter Momoverse. And here you can click on Login. Use Connect Wallet. And use your MetaMask wallet to log in. Just click on Next. Sign in. And that's how you use your MetaMask wallet to interact with Web3 games. And you can easily interact with Web3 websites using MetaMask account. Now let's see how we can use our MetaMask wallet to send cryptos and receive cryptos to our MetaMask wallet and to different exchanges. Let me close it up. So you can buy crypto. Just click on Buy on MetaMask. And here you can easily buy BNB. Since our MetaMask is on BNB network, it is giving us the option to buy BNB. If we change it to Ethereum mainnet and then click on buy, then it will show us the option to buy Ethereum. And you can simply buy Ethereum or BNB using this option. Or you can also use this option to swap. Enable smart transactions. It will help you. After buying Ethereum or BNB in your respective networks, you can swap it to different cryptos using this option of swap. And suppose you want to send crypto to someone else, then you can use this option of send, and for that you will require address here. Now let's assume you want to send crypto to your Binance exchange from MetaMask. So log into your Binance account and here go to your wallet, then click on spot and fiat. Now suppose we want to receive Ethereum on our Binance account from our MetaMask account. So we will click on deposit here. Select the network. It is ERC20 on our MetaMask right now. And then we will get this address. Copy this address and open your MetaMask. And here click on send. Then paste this address. And that's how you can send crypto from your MetaMask account to any exchange. Now let's see how you can receive crypto from any exchange to your MetaMask account. Click on MetaMask and copy this address of your MetaMask account. And let's go to our wallet. And this time, instead of clicking on deposit, we will click on withdraw. Paste the address and select the network. Click on ERC20 and type in the amount. Then you can click on withdraw and the amount that you want to withdraw will reach to your MetaMask account. And that's how you receive crypto on your MetaMask account. But always make sure the network is similar on the receiver and the sender's end. Otherwise, your funds might get lost and you will never be able to recover them. So take it quite seriously when sending funds from one place to another. Now let's explore further. In the asset section, you will see different assets in your wallet, and on the activity, you will see different transactions that have taken place using your account. And in case if you want to add a different asset, just click on import tokens. And here you have the option of searching for a token. Let's suppose we want to add USDC. We will search for USDC and click on it, then click on next and click on import token, and it will be added to your MetaMask account. This is where it will appear. But sometimes some tokens cannot be found here, and in that case you can click on custom tokens. Then you have to fill in the details. You can find token contract address either from website, but always make sure that you are adding an authentic asset into your wallet, because there are so many scams out there. So always make sure to copy this contract address from the official website of any web3 platform, whether it is some game token or some other token. And that's how you add different tokens to your MetaMask wallet. I hope this video was insightful. If you still need more help, just comment down below and we will be happy to help you. And don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.